What's going on, everybody? Time May 20th. First off, thank you all very much. Appreciate everybody getting the payments in. I know some of you guys had to wait quite a while, so appreciate everyone's payment. Got all the teams sold, and thanks for the people that came in. Just a quick recap on rules for multi-cards in case that comes up. Multi-cards we'll go to a randomizer on random.org. Basically, it just goes to whoever's got the most teams on that specific card. If that applies, that person gets it. Not whoever bought the most overall teams, but teams on that specific card. If it's a tie, then we'll go to random.org. Just click the list 3 times. Whoever's on top at the end, that's yours. So here's our list for tonight. We got Tiger Dogs with the Browns, Colts, Packers, and Texans. KRS Mo, you got the Chiefs, Cowboys, and Dolphins. DKS Seller, you got the Bengals and Pats. Magic, Cards, and Panthers. One Monkey, Bears and Broncos. CWKA, Niners. Lemmy, Bills. Stacks, Bucks. Hummer Todd, Chargers. Doolin, Eagles. Heatmiser, Falcons. Rainy Days, Giants. 86 Mets, Jets. Oh, my fault, Doolin. Yeah, you got you for the Eagles. Let's see. Hold on, let me. 86 Mets, Jets. Dusty Hash Brown, Lions. Shelby, Raiders. Tim, Rams. Muhammad, Ravens. SWB, Skins. 62 Mo, Steelers. I got you in for the Seahawks too. I forgot to update the list at the end. So WTB Verb, Titans. Seattle, Vikings. Let's see. And then Dax also had the Bucks and Jags. Hold on here. Let's do that. Bucks. Okay. So updated list. Stacks, you had Bucks, Jags, and Saints. And Big Mo. Alright, so good luck, everyone. Obviously 32 teams don't have quite that many hits, so not everybody's going to get a hit, but good luck. I wish you all the best. Threw in a hobby pack of Prestige just for the hell of it. So let's do it. I'm going to have to split the recording up into 2 parts, just because I can only record for 10 minutes on here. So we'll stop partway through. So this is just a hobby pack I threw in. We got Des Bryant, Ryan Grant, Devin Hester. Nothing. Carson Palmer, Stars of the NFL. Bill Revis, Laurentis, and Bess. Let's see, we'll do this Sterling mini box, by the way. First rookie base is Cowboys, Tyron Smith. Greg Jones, some kind of refractor it looks like. It's number 9 out of 299. Giants, rookie. Devin Hester, Bears. Game used. Got Delani Carter, Colts. Second game used. And our auto is Jordan Todman, rookie auto. Number 5 out of 50. serial number, by the way. Good luck again, everyone. Jared Allen, 137 out of 499. Debo, 428 out of 499. Another Viking, Chad Greenway, number 20 out of 499. And our auto is Matt Schaub of the Texans, number 10 out of 25. Let's do timeless. Sanchez up front. So we got Mark Sanchez. Richard Dent, Bears. Job. Bill Taylor, rookie signatures, Browns. Gonna be 260 out of 458. It's a random number to make. Giants, Hakeem Nicks. Number 9 out of 25. And nice, we got a Elway jersey. Sorry. Out of 100. Broncos. I'm gonna cut the recording real quick here. Take a minute to get through.